deal. Post up in the hills on the rail, headed for a mill. Travel with me still, getting kills.
Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. So my goal for this video is to tell you about my new plans going forward into the new year for this channel. Trust me, I haven't planned anything in this video. This is just from the top of my head, right, based on the stuff I want us to cover as we go on this channel. So I'm trying to go more towards the full stack deployment, right? So instead of just building the project on just maybe the front end or just the back end, we are going to be doing more of the full stack, that is front end combined with the back end, and then we're actually going to deploy it as well. So the deployment part is very interesting because I realized that more and more people that are entering in the industry or that are coming into the field, the problem really lies in how everything comes together. So how is the front end coming together with the back end? How does deployment come in the picture? Okay, how are things done in the cloud? What are some of the best practices? All right, so that is what I'm going to be focused on, and we are going to cover a lot of stacks, Java, .NET. We are going to be doing PHP. We are going to be doing Node. And for the front end, we are going to use a variety of text as well. It's not going to be just React. It's going to be React. We are going to be put some Angular there. We are going to be mixing it with some Blazor over there as well. So it's going to be a really educational ride going forward. Okay, and then on the channel as well, we are going to be having a lot of review content as well. So we are going to be reviewing articles, especially very interesting engineering articles, to see how things are done on the global scale. You know, basically learn a lot. I have a lot of interesting projects, a lot of challenges that I'm going to be doing on the channel. So you guys should really expect very amazing stuff going forward. My goal, we currently stand at 750 subscribers on the channel. My goal is to hopefully to get to 1k subscribers by the end of 2025. So 300 subscribers in a year. I'm not really aiming too high, but then 1k subscribers will mean a lot to me. So that's my goal for the new year. So I thank you guys so much for your support, for staying with me since the channel started, since I've been trying to figure out the video patterns, what type of content I should produce, what type I should not do. Okay, it's been a learning journey, but I feel like going this direction, the full stack build to deploy direction, is something that I'm really passionate about, something that really matters to me. It's harder to do it that way because it takes longer to produce the video, to do the project and stuff like that, because unlike the one where you just build on the front end or on the back end, you could use like probably a few hours or so to do the project. But once you are doing the development to deployment, you are bringing in the next level complication. So that is something else. So a video that could take like a week or two will now take like 3 weeks to a month. But I'm not focusing on the quantity. I'm trying to focus more on the quality. I'm already cooking one very interesting tutorial, one interesting project that I'll be building, and this will be coming in January 2025. That's what we're going to use to start. I'm targeting 12 very good projects in the month of 2025. So it's going to be like massive, and it's very hard. I mean, like when I project how things are going to be like, it's going to be really, really hard. But I'm really up for the challenge to see how it goes, and then hopefully I'm able to impact some type of value, some type of knowledge to all my followers, to all my subscribers, and then you know, it's a win-win, right? So thank you so much, guys. This video was going to be a very short video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and then let me know in the comments what type of projects around building and deployment would you also like to see. Anything you'd be interested in, just let me know, and then I'll do well to, you know, include that in my planning along the way. So thank you guys so much, and Merry Christmas to you all. Bye for now.
Pill got these pop stars try popping in, and they getting pop for real. I ain't tryna build, I was tryna lead a mill, getting to it. Before I hopped up off the block, I was still going through it. Friends doing pills and came faster than it should.